Hello everybody, it's Bryson S17, and I just went to Hobbytown, USA, and I got two things. First, I got a K-Line illuminated vending machine. Second, the bigger one, got a Railking Center I flatcar. I'm going to do unboxing of those two. First, the vending machine. Looks very cool. Here it is. Back has wires, and I will be making a video later tonight of these in operation. It's very cool. Sides, little door, or the slot actually does have a little indent. It's very cool. Other side. Top Pop Soda Company. Then, what you've all been waiting for, it's the Railking CSX Center I-beam flatcar. Let me put that down. Sorry guys, but I don't have a tripod. Here it is. Uh-oh. Here is one of the little wood pallets. It's very cool. It comes off. They come off. There are 4 of them. Then it looks. They just sit in little. They have pegs right there. They sit in little holes in there. If I can get it to work. Come on. Well, I'll get it to work later. Bye everybody. This was a Bryson S17 production.